Dr. Richa here, Facility Director from Rainbow Children's Hospital, Benagatta Road, as well as the unit of Birthright Fertility Center by Rainbow Hospitals, Benagatta Road. So I am very happy today to share the news of launch of our first standalone and exclusive IVF center in Bangalore at Benagatta Road. And it's a third center in across country which is going to provide you best care in fertility center. फर्टिलिटी एक साइंस है एंड हर पेशेंट हर कपल का अपना एक बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर होता है. कोई कपल का शादी के बाद वेरी फास्ट दे कंसीव, सम कपल कंसीव लिटिल लेट, बट ऑलवेज इट्स लाइक सम टाइमलाइंस आर देयर, एज स्पेसिफिक्स आर देयर. आफ्टर मैरिज हाउ मेनी years you can spend without kid, but better as early possible हमेशा अच्छा रहता है. लेकिन ये एक लौता फैक्टर नहीं है कि जहाँ कपल फर्टाइल नहीं हो रहा है या बेबी नहीं पैदा कर पा रहा है. कई लाइफस्टाइल फैक्टर, स्ट्रेस फैक्टर, sometime your genetic factors, sometime your length of a marriage, after your marriage how many years you spent, many factors are working behind infertility. If practically मैं अपने सारे दर्शकों से ये बोलना ज़रूर चाहूँगी कि यदि आप नेचुरली ट्राई कर रहे हैं एंड आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम ऑफ 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 year you are not getting results, better to meet infertility specialist. We are not saying IVF is last action. Infertility is a long process where आप OP कंसल्टेशन पे भी कंसीव कर सकते हैं. तो हमेशा ये सही रहेगा कि जैसे आपको लगे कुछ महीनों के नेचुरल कंसेप्शन, नेचुरल ट्रायल के बाद यू आर नॉट कंसीविंग, better to go on consultation, not related to IVF. Just check best infertility consultant, which we are providing in Rainbow Hospitals, Rainbow Birthright Fertility Center, where we have a very senior infertility consultant, embryologist team, who will assess your medical condition, who is assess your lifestyle condition, medication condition, and decide what kind of treatment you need. So better not to later, not to very delayed. Start your treatment on OPD basis as soon as possible. देखिए, ये बिल्कुल भी सेम ट्रीटमेंट हर कपल का नहीं जाता. हमारे पास इतने अच्छे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं वेयर कपल केम इन within 2 or 3 consultation with basic OPD hormonal treatment they conceived. Sometime where more complicated history of infertility, they took little longer time also, like some people took 2 year also, but maximum time if your treatment starts on right time, with right age, with right diagnosis by our senior consultant of infertility, you will conceive within 2 to 3 months, varies till 2 to 3 years. And treatment also not direct IVF. Always they start with the basic consultation, your lifestyle change, your diet change, your hormonal treatment. After that, if 3-4 months you don't conceive, then they go for the OPD IUI process. Then they try, if after IUI also you don't conceive, they give again natural chances, then they go for IVF. So IVF is a last procedure where we don't go direct to IVF. Always my best doctors are trying to give result with the OP consultation, first meetings, then not result come, then IVF last moment. As a unit head, I can say I have a multiple examples where my senior consultants given miracles in IVF, miracles in fertility. I must say IVF is not a word, fertility is a word, where at OP level some couples came after 3-year, 4-year trials, and with hormonal treatment only they got conceived and they delivered baby after 9 months. So multiple good examples of 20 years infertility, they came, they met after IVF, they conceived twin babies, and now those babies come and meet us for the general pediatric consultation in Rainbow Hospital also. मेरी बस इतनी ही सलाह है, आप अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय कीजिए जितना स्ट्रेस फ्री रह सकते हैं, बिकॉज बैंगलोर में ट्रैफिक इज स्ट्रेस, जॉब इज स्ट्रेस समटाइम. अवॉइड योर स्ट्रेस, इंक्रीज योर मेडिटेशन, increase your exercise performance any time in any stage of your marriage life where you face that you need any different focus on your infertility or your gynecological care services. Birthright Fertility Center is available for you. Please feel free to connect our toll-free numbers, get consultations with our doctors. Come down, meet doctors, take your consultation treatments, and wherever you lost your hope to become parent, we will be there on their path to parenthood. Thank you so much.